Three Tennessee Supreme Court justices had big targets on their backs, but they survived a Republican effort to oust them. Tennesseans voted to retain justices Connie Clark from Williamson County, 56% of the vote. Sharon Lee from East Tennessee, fending off the replace effort with a similar total there. And Chief Justice Gary Wade, also out of East Tennessee. News Channel 5 Chief Investigative Reporter Phil Williams followed the money and checked the facts throughout the campaign.
It was an expensive Supreme Court campaign that by the time the money's counted will easily be a $2 million race. The justices raised more than $1 million, mostly from the legal community, to fight off the ouster effort led by Lieutenant Governor Ramsey.
Liberal Democrats control our court.
And it was a bruising campaign with conservative groups making sometimes questionable claims to try to paint the three Democratic appointees as liberals who were soft on crime and who, quote, advanced Obamacare. The three justices fought back, accusing Ramsey and other out-of-state forces of trying to politicize the courts. Justices Clark and Lee waited for the returns here in Nashville and celebrated the will of the people.
We took our case to the voters. We asked them to consider false statements, misstatements, distortions, and to make their own judgment about us. And I think they've spoken loud.
Everywhere I went, people, when I would explain what the issues were, they were very receptive, and they said, well, yeah, that's what we want. We want fair and impartial courts.
While many will see this as a political defeat for Lieutenant Governor Ramsey, he tried to take the high road in a statement released last night. He said Tennesseans also won because they now realize the importance of the Supreme Court. He added, no matter how you look at it, that is the true victory. Phil Williams, News Channel 5 Investigate.